fine, and I hope that you're very excited to learn English. This is your teacher Anna, and our lesson for today is about vowel sound in phonics. Vowel sound in phonics. So students, we will be learning the sounds of the vowels. Are you excited? Kids, the vowels are only 5 and they are A, E, I, O, and U. So I would like you to repeat after me. Are you ready? A, E, I, O, U. Great job! In this lesson, we will be learning short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Short sound will show a sign like this. It's a curved line. Curved line. Okay. Curved line, and it looks like this. Curved line on top of the vowel. Like that. Long sound shows a sign like this. Horizontal line. Horizontal line on top of the vowel, and it looks like this. That's great. Short sound that has a curve on top of the vowel A sounds like this. Ah. 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 So you will notice a stop on the sound, so it will be shortened. Ah. Good job. And long sound has a horizontal line on top of the vowel A, and it sounds like this. A. 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 It's like you're smiling. A. And it's elongated. Okay, now kids, we will be learning the vowel sounds of the short vowel sound and long vowel sounds. Okay, so let's look, watch, and learn. This is the vowel A. Vowel A. And it has a curved line on top. So it's a short sound. And it sounds like this. Ah. Repeat after me. Ah. Ah. Apple. Apple. Ah. Apple. Good job. This is the vowel A, and it has a horizontal line on top. So it's long sound, and it sounds like this. A. 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 Repeat after me. A. Acorn. Acorn. Good job. This is the vowel E. E. And it has a curved line on top, so it's a short sound. And it sounds like this. E.
Daddy, I cannot sing.
E. E. Repeat after me, kids. E. Egg. Egg. Great job. Vowel E, and it has a horizontal line on top, so it's a long sound. It sounds like this, and you can repeat after me. E. 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 Eagle. 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 Good job. This is the vowel I, and it has a curved line on top, so it's a short sound. So the sound is like this, and you can repeat after me. E. 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 Igloo. Igloo. Good job, kids. The vowel I with a horizontal line on top, and it's a long sound. So it sounds like this. I. 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 Ice. Ice. Good job, kids. This is the vowel O, and it has a curved line on top, so it sounds like this. Short sound, O. 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 Otter. 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 Good job. This is the vowel O with a horizontal line on top, and it's a long sound. So it sounds like this. O. 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 Ocean.
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 Ocean. I like.
Ocean. Ocean. Good job. So kids, the last vowel is the vowel U. And it has a curved line on top, so it sounds like this. Ah. Ah. Short sound.
I like this.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Good job, kids. And now, U, horizontal line on top, and it's a long sound. And it sounds like this. U. 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 Unicorn. Unicorn. Great job, kids. So now we will be singing a song, The Old MacDonald Had Some Vowels. If you're ready, come and sing along. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U, and on his farm he had an A-E-I-O-U. with an A here and an A there. Here an A, there an A, everywhere an A. Old MacDonald had a farm. A-E-I-O-U. And on his farm he had an E. A-E-I-O-U. With an E-E here and an E there. Here an E, there an E, everywhere an E. Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. And on his farm he had an I. A-E-I-O-U. With an E-I here and an E-E there. Here an I, there an E, everywhere an I-E. Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. And on his farm he had an O. A-E-I-O-U. With an O-O here and an there. Here an O, there an everywhere an O. Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. And on his farm he had a U. A-E-I-O-U. With a U here and a U there. Here a U, there a everywhere a U. Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Good job, kids! Okay, kids, so we've learned about vowel sounds in phonics. Okay? Did you have a lot of fun? I hope that you've enjoyed our lesson for today and see you next time. Bye-bye!